everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita Kotak. I'm a health and wellbeing coach, and I help people live a healthier life physically, mentally and spiritually. And today what I'm going to do is do an upper body workout. Now these workouts are designed to do any time when you're watching television in between ads. That's the way I find it quickest and easiest way to get motivated to do these. I put my mat out on the floor when I'm watching television, and that is my commitment to myself to make those movements. So if I want to keep sitting on the couch while I'm watching television, that mat will say you've made your commitment and you're not obeying it. So put your mat out when you're watching television and just do it. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is push-ups. Push-ups works your chest, your back, your shoulders, your biceps and triceps in one magic movement. Okay, so what we're going to do is come down on our knees. You can be on your toes if you want, if you're really strong. And keep your gaze 1 foot ahead of you, and then as you exhale, you come down. Inhale, lift up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. And just stretch it out for a moment. Take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Now we're going to do our triceps. So we're going to get a chair. You're going to sit on the edge of the chair, fingers facing inwards, your buttocks just to the edge of the chair, and then what we're going to do is dip down and up. This is working your triceps and your chest muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Let's do push-ups again. So coming down on your hands and knees, hands nice and wide. Push from the ball of your hand. Keep your gaze 1 foot ahead of you. Keep your buttocks tight, and then we're going to go down. Exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch it out. Breathing in, breathing out. And then one more time on the chair. Sitting at the edge of the chair. So the further your feet are away, the harder it is. If you keep them close, it becomes a bit easier. So you do what suits you. Okay? Coming down. Exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then just stretch it out. So that's a quick upper body workout. Works lots of muscle groups at the same time. So give it a go. And if you like this video, press the like button, share with your friends, and comment below if you want me to do anything else. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.